Good morning. Today we're going to be making something very simple but satisfying for our breakfast meal. First, let's get started with some ham and cheese. We'll cut that up. As you can see, this piece of cheese is a little bit smaller because my wife always tells me I have to pay taxes to the dog. So let's get this cut up in small pieces and we'll get that on the pan. Okay, next we got to get our pan heated up. Because this is a non-stick pan, I'm going to put the oil in early, that way it protects the non-stick coating. This was a stainless steel pan, so you can put the oil in after the pan's already heated up. I'm using pecan oil here because it's got a high smoke point. You can use anything like an avocado oil or something similar. While this pan is heating up, we'll prep the eggs. I'm just going to crack 3 of them here in this bowl. Now we can salt and pepper to taste. I don't put too much salt on here as I'm going to add a little bit of salsa at the end of it. It has plenty of salt in it. However, I will add a lot of pepper. Do whatever you like. Okay, now we'll just whisk them up with this fork. They're good and beat. Look about like that. Okay, the pan should be plenty hot enough. We'll get started on scrambling these up. Extra ingredients. I like to add them early so the cheese melts. It's always nice. And then I start on the edges with a spatula. Start pulling in toward the center and then go down the middle and then just start mixing everything in. Pretty simple stuff here. No rocket surgery. Gotta make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. That cheese can sometimes burn on the bottom, so you gotta keep moving it so it melts but doesn't burn. Hey, you might like burnt cheese. Go ahead and burn some. I personally don't care for it, so I'm gonna keep mixing it. You can also turn the heat down a little bit. That'll help prevent it from burning. Still a little damp for my taste. We're getting close. Okay, that should do it. Let's get our plate over here. Spray it right in there. Now, like I said earlier, I'm going to put a little salsa on mine. That's just how I like them. Once again, make them however you like them. One of my favorite salsas here is this Frog Ranch. I'll use the hot version, but use something that makes you comfortable. There you have it. Scrambled eggs with salsa. I know it's not complicated, but it is delicious. Good stuff.